one, all my budding artists of the 10th standard, all those who have been promoted to standard 10 thanks to corona, and the whole 9th standard has reached without any pains, without any task. I should congratulate you all that you all have reached the 10th standard, which will be a public examination at least for this year. Children, you are going to appear for the board examination among 10 lakh students. So naturally, we all teachers, even your parents and also you, we all of us must be pressed and under pressure. What about the 10th standard board examination this year? Of course, we all are right. But let me first ask you all, during this corona pandemic, I hope each one of you are safe. You all are staying home, following all the safety norms, and all are healthy and hearty. And I pray to the God, to the Almighty, for the well-being of each one of us. Children, and we all of us should pray to the Almighty to get rid away the pandemic as early as possible, so that we will be all back to our normal duties. Children, anyway, seeing the scenario since March till today, September end, September is ready to close now, we have seen there are very few chances of this pandemic to get over soon. It may take, I think, some more time, some more months even. And by then, children, I think we all will have to learn to stay with corona, stay safety, stay happy, stay with the work group, taking all the safety precautions, safety measures. Now children, I am coming to the main point. I have seen we have started the 10th class syllabus from, I think, suppose 25th or 20th March. As soon as the lockdown was started, 17th we closed down everything, and I think I talked with our teachers, Nirmala ma'am, Tatis and all, and we all agreed and we started our online teaching. Ours was the first school to start the online teaching immediately after the lockdown. And since March, our teachers are striving hard, they are doing their best, they are being with you all, they are after you all to teach you all through the technology, that's online teaching as well as WhatsApp and whatever. Each of them are taking utmost trouble and pains to teach you all. Since March, April, May, June, July, August, September, last 7 months we all are doing the online studies. But children, I am sorry to say that very few of you all are being very positive in taking this online education and doing your work. Rather, most of you all are whiling time, you all are not that serious, and whatever I see, when I see the videos, teachers are asking you all some task, some completion of work, some test. When there are more than 100 children, but I see not even 60-70 children giving the test. Sometimes not even 50% children giving the submitting their books. When Nirmala is asking you all to submit your books and all. That means you all are taking online teaching as a fun. Children, please don't do this. Now we will have to adore and we will have to make up our body and mind towards technology, and we'll have to further, I don't know, even throughout further, you will have to study with on online or technology support, with the support of technology or online studies. There is no alternate for that. So children, make up your mind to devote your body and mind towards this teaching which has been done by our teachers on online education system. Yet, since I saw I was not much happy with the performance what you all are doing on the online studies, I spoke to Nirmala Miss, I spoke to Tate sir, I spoke to other few of our senior teachers, and they have all agreed that I am trying to reach you all personally by calling you all to school, keeping safe distance in a number of not the majority like 4 to 5 children. This way I am planning to get you all in school so that we we may come when we may come to school so that we can talk to you all, we can see you all. So I have spoken to Nirmala Miss, I have spoken to Tate sir, and I have spoken to one of our science teacher so that we can start our um, practicals also, keeping all our safety precautions, safety measures. Health, health and hygiene will be first priority. Health and um, uh, priority will be given to your safety, your health and hygiene, everything. And we will start calling you all to school in short terms or in short group, or within 4 or 5, and you will submit your work when you will come to when you will performing your science practicals. We are planning for that, and we will send you the timetable very soon. And I will see that you all come. Only few, say about 5 children, will be performing practicals, and while you all are performing practicals, you will all do your submissions also of English, history, science, maths, whatever completion and work, so that teacher can check and direct you then and there, keeping safety distance and all. So this way I am planning to do. I hope you all will cooperate. For that we have started preparing, sanitizing the classes, setting the lab. I will send you the videos. Nirmala Miss and Sonal ma'am have taken the initiative, and proper sanitization has been done. Last 2 days in school, everything has been sanitized, and it will be going on sanitizing. And the further our maushis, our team bhaias will be doing all this sanitation work on regular basis, so that all safety precaution and clean and hygiene will be taken care by us, and we will start our the online classes, as well as reaching the teachers personally, but in group of 5, so that you can keeping time slots and other things. We will see, we will first take care that we all will be safe, we all will have safety distance, all measure, and if it works on, then we'll continue further. For few days we'll see on the trial basis how you all cooperate with us, how the teachers are safe, how you all are safe, how your parents react, how your parents cooperate, what hygiene. And once it is okay, when once we are satisfied, every one of us are satisfied with all this system, then we'll carry on with this till the school reopens, with calling 4 to 5 children at one time for half an hour, and performing the practicals and submitting their work. Hope you may like this idea, your parents may like this idea. Let us see. Lots of blessings, lots of best wishes. Again I am telling you, stay safe, stay healthy, take all the precautionary measures to be healthy and safe. Thank you, God bless you all. Hope you and your parents will give a positive thought for this idea which has been um, given birth or taken initiative by Nirmala ma'am, which is I think it's very nice, I suppose. Let us see how it works out. Thank you, all the best.